It's time for board math. Remember, we do this one all together, so I want to hear each and every one of you. Arifa, I know you got a quiet voice, but I still want to hear it. Okay? Here we go. Loud and proud. B-O-A-R-D. B-O-A-R-D. Board math, board math. Yippee! Reading all together. What number is it? 18. How do we write an 18? A 1 for the 10, an 8 for the 1, 18. What number comes next? 30, 31, 32. How do we write a 32? 3 for the 10s, 2 for the 1s, 32. 35, 40, 45. How do we write a 45? 4 for the 10, 5 for the 1, 45. You guys are going to amaze your first grade teachers doing first grade work. Great job, guys. How many do you see? Hey, look at that. Those are in groups of 10, just like a 10 frame. So we can count this by 10s. You ready? 10, 20. So how do you write a 20? A 2 for the 10, a 0 for the 1s. 20. 2 10s, 0 1s. Great job. Is it greater than, less than, or equal? Well, looking at it, I don't have two numbers yet. I've got 33 here, but these are tally marks. Remember, tally marks come in groups of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we could count this by 5s like first graders. Here we go. You ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. How do we write a 20? 2 for the 10, 0 for the 1s, 20. Now we have our two numbers. Are they equal? The same? No, they're not. So which one is greater? Which one's the bigger number? 33 is. It has 3 10s and this one only has 2 10s. That makes it greater right away. So we want to eat it up and we read this as 33 is greater than 20. Number sentences. 5 minus 4 equals. Remember that symbol. Mental math, fingers, or pictures. Starting with our 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus means to take away. How many? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many are left? 1. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 7 plus 4 equals. Remember that symbol and what it means. Do your mental math. 7 plus 4. I don't have enough fingers. We might have to use our pictures. Here we go, starting with 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus means to add more. How many more? 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 plus 4 equals 11. First grade work. 6 minus 5 equals. Remember that symbol. Mental math. Fingers. Pictures. Start with your 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus means to take away. How many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? 1. 6 minus 5 equals 1. How many in the 10 frames? Here's our two 10 frames. First one's full, that's 10. Second one is almost full. It needs one more, so 1 less than 10 is 9. 10 and 9 is 19. How many more to make 20? Remember 20 is 2 10s. 2 10s. So we need to fill them all up. We're missing 1. Straight line down. 1 is fun. That's the way to write a 1. What shape is it? There's our picture. Here's a real one. Can of soup, soda can. Lots of different things are this. They are a cylinder. Cylinder. How do you know? Well, it is three-dimensional. It has two circle faces. And then what can it do? Well, with one face, it can slide. If you turn it on its side, it can roll. And if you get out another one with two faces opposite each other, you can stack. That's what makes it a cylinder. What shapes do you see? Here's our picture from the book. We've talked about a lot of the shapes in here so far. Got that rug, a rectangle, square pillows, cone, squares and rectangles, circles. Lots of different shapes here. Cylinders. Look at this picture up here. What shape is it? Looks like a square. All the sides are the same. But what about this picture? Looks like a rectangle. Two long sides, two short sides. Word problem. Marisol picked 3 flowers. Sam picked 3 flowers too. The flowers were daisies. How many flowers did they pick all together? Okay, let's go back after you do your mental math. Let's get that good information. Marisol picked 3 flowers. Sam picked 3 flowers too. That's not the number 2. That 2 means also. Means he did the same thing. The flowers were daisies. Beautiful flowers. I love daisies. Not important for our word problem though. How many flowers did they pick all together? How many flowers did they pick all together? Let's find out. Here we go. So, here's Marisol. And she picked 3 flowers. 1, 2, 3. Here's Sam. Sam picked 3 flowers too. So he's got 3. 1, 2, 3. How many flowers did they pick all together? We're putting it together. Our function is adding. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because 3 plus 3 equals 6. 6 what? Oranges? No. Flowers. Does it make sense? I hope so.
Amazing job. Arif, I even heard your quiet little voice. Great job.